Remedies presents How to Heal Your Knee and Rebuild Joint Strength. Knee pain is a common complaint that affects people of all ages. Knee pain may be the result of an injury such as a ruptured ligament or torn cartilage. Medical conditions like arthritis and gout can also cause knee pain. One gentle way to get the knee moving is through massage. Modern reflexology says that massage is effective against the knee pain because it helps release calcium deposits that cause knee pain. It may be helpful to move your fingers in a circular motion under the kneecap for 3 to 5 minutes. For this, you can use any one of the effective mixtures which is convenient to you. I have shared the link in the video description. An ancient method of soaking an arthritic knee in warm water reduces the gravity that bears down on the joint and causes pain. It releases excess pressure, due to which not only pain but also swelling and inflammation is reduced effectively. It loosens the joints and reduces pain to a great extent. So let's see the procedure of this soak. How to make Epsom salt soak for knee pain and joints. Ingredients: bucket filled with warm water, 3/4 cup of Epsom salt. Procedure: fill a bucket, basin, tub or any convenient equipment with enough warm water to cover the feet up to the knees. To make the most out of your soak, the water should be warmed no higher than 37 degrees Celsius. Add the salt to it and mix thoroughly. Place the feet in the soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. Dry thoroughly after the soak and then moisturize with olive oil. The idea is that Epsom salt breaks down into magnesium and sulfate, which may lower knee pain or arthritis severity. The theory is that when you soak in an Epsom salt bath, they get into your body through your skin, and that way it can help relax muscles and loosen stiff joints. It will boost bone health. With these tips, you should be able to heal your knee and rebuild joint strength in no time. You can repeat this as many times as you need throughout the week. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.